Document 360 comes with a variety of tools for search engine optimization which you can use to increase the visibility of your knowledge-based site. Using the right approach to SEO can make your documentation easy to find by ranking on top of search engine results on popular search engines like Google or Bing. You can also drive organic traffic to your documentation site by targeting the right set of keywords. Document 360 supports on-page SEO and technical SEO, and we'll look at both of them in this video. On-page SEO works at an article level. In the settings of this article, under the SEO section, we can start by providing a relevant title, and I'll use the same title here as the article. The slug is a human-readable URL structure, and this will be filled in by default. I'm going to edit the slug, however, to make it a little shorter. The description field is quite important as it provides a summary of what your article is all about, and search engines heavily rely on this to index your page and display a small snippet of the content. A good description can be around 50 to 160 characters long. There may be instances when you do not want an article to be indexed by search engines, and you can do so by enabling this checkbox. A best practice for good SEO is to use the same keywords in your title, description, slug, and your article content to target the right audience and boost your search engine rankings. Another important on-page SEO feature is internal links. By adding hyperlinks to other relevant articles within your documentation, you can improve the search engine results. Another best practice is to periodically check the link status tool for any broken links and fix them, as some search engines will penalize for broken or invalid links. Fixing broken links also leads to a great user experience. You can also find SEO title and description in the homepage builder as well. Now let's look at technical SEO, which works at a project level. It can be found under the knowledge-based site settings. The robot.txt file dictates how search engine crawlers index your site, and we can configure rules to allow or disallow search engines from indexing certain pages. For example, if we have a certain page we want to keep private, we can enter it here and update the file. Document 360 automatically builds a sitemap which is supplied to search engines to efficiently index your site. We can adjust how often this data is supplied by changing the frequency, and this will depend on how often you make changes to your site content. Lastly, you can configure article redirect rules, which can be found under the knowledge-based site settings. Article redirect rules allow you to edit your existing URLs. Keeping your URLs organized and sensible is not only important for a good user experience, but is critical when a search engine like Google tries to find your page, because it uses keywords in your URL to rank your page. In addition, if you have old articles that have been indexed already and you later decide to move it to some other location, it's important to let search engines know this information. Otherwise, you'll end up losing the search traffic. As you can see, Document 360 provides a host of tools and features for good SEO, and using them well can help you boost visibility to your documentation site and drive organic traffic.